In Year 3, you'll explore a range of mental calculation strategies for adding and subtracting 2- and 3-digit numbers. Rounding and adjusting is a really useful strategy to use where numbers are close to a multiple of 10 or 100. In this strategy, the numbers are rounded and then adjusted by subtracting or adding the appropriate number of ones. For example, 124 add 99 can be adjusted to 124 add 100 subtract 1. The aim is to enable your children to use this strategy mentally. But of course, you could begin by exploring it with concrete or pictorial representations. The 100 square is a particularly powerful representation. For example, to find 9, add 36, the children would locate 36 on the square and then add 10 by moving 1 down. Then, because they have added 1 too many, they would subtract 1 by moving 1 place to the left. Bridging 10 is another important mental calculation strategy. This is where the addend is partitioned into 2 numbers, so that when 1 is added to the augend, it will be a multiple of 10. Look at this example. To add 74 and 58, we can partition 58 into 6 and 52. We can then add the 6 to 74, giving 80, a multiple of 10. We now have the sum 80, add 52, which is much easier to tackle. Consider demonstrating this strategy using base 10 apparatus. Take 35, add 17. Make the 2 numbers using the base 10 apparatus. Take 5 ones from 17 and add them to 35. Then exchange the 10 1 cubes for a 10 stick to make 40. The calculation is now 40 add 12, which is easier to calculate than 35 add 17. You could also encourage the children to use number bonds to 10 to help them calculate mentally. Ask the children to add 57 and 43. They should recognize that they can form 2 number facts using 7 add 3 to make 10 and 50 add 40 to make 90, giving a total of 100. Sequencing is another effective mental calculation strategy. It involves partitioning 1 number and adding or subtracting in steps. For example, to find 236, subtract 124, we can partition 124 and subtract it from 236 in steps. First, taking away 100, then 20, and then 4. You can explore this idea nicely with place value counters. The children will apply mental calculation strategies when using written methods. They might also find that they can apply a mental strategy to help them complete a calculation more efficiently. So it's really important that we teach mental calculation strategies before formal written methods, and that we watch out for any inappropriate use of the written method. This will help the children to choose the most appropriate methods to solve a problem, including problems in context. For example, children can apply mental calculation strategies to adding and subtracting information from bar charts and pictograms, calculating durations in time, and finding time differences. You can deepen the children's understanding of mental calculation strategies by using variation. In Unit 2A, Question 1A, the children are asked to add 9 by rounding and adjusting. You could vary this by asking them to add 9 to 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. You could ask questions to encourage deeper thinking and reasoning, such as, what do you notice? Is there a pattern? What is the pattern? Why does it work?